Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious crab paste recipe. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh crabs, preferably blue crabs for the best taste. Also, prepare your aromatics: several cloves of garlic, 2 shallots, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Don't forget cooking oil, a few tablespoons of good fish sauce, and a teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we'll prepare the crabs. Begin by thoroughly cleaning them under cold running water, removing the gills and any other unwanted internal organs. This step is crucial for a clean-tasting paste. Then, carefully separate the vibrant crab fat and any roe you find. These add incredible richness. Finally, crack the crab shells to extract all the delicious meat. Take your time here to get as much meat as possible, as it's the star of our paste. Now let's start cooking our flavorful paste. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté your minced garlic, shallots, and ginger until they are fragrant and lightly golden brown. This builds a wonderful aromatic base. Then, add the reserved crab fat and roe, cooking them for about 3 minutes until their color deepens and they render their oils. Finally, stir in the extracted crab meat, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, mixing everything well. To finish our crab paste, continue to simmer it gently over low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens to your preferred consistency. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want another half teaspoon of fish sauce or a small pinch of sugar. Once cooled, transfer your homemade crab paste to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready to elevate your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.